Thanks for watching Matthews Daniel, East and Central Pacific Weather Briefing. I'm meteorologist Gonzalo Agudelo. We're taking a look at the tropics right now. We have two active systems that we're going to be discussing. First one is Tropical Storm Lester. Lester, you can see here on visible satellite imagery. Currently a tropical storm with winds at about 50 knots. Lester moved just north of the Hawaiian Islands as a hurricane and continue to track to the northwest. If you look at the satellite imagery, though, there's a large area of high pressure dominating the northeastern Pacific right now. And Lester is going to be under the influence of that steering pattern, so it's going to actually undergo a little bit of a turn to the north and northeast along this area of high pressure. Lester has been battling some drier air associated with this high pressure, and that's been keeping this tropical system from really exploding in terms of convection. It's been suppressing a lot of that. So currently a tropical storm, it's kind of going to maintain its intensity for the most part as it continues tracking around the periphery of this high pressure system, but might see a little bit of a gradual slow decrease in intensity. Lester is not going to be a threat to any more land masses as it recurves to the northeast, though. Next storm we're going to talk about is Hurricane Newton. Newton actually went some really quick intensification. It formed just south of the south central Mexico area and continued northwest, where it rapidly intensified into a Category 2 hurricane, and currently Lester has made landfall over the southern tip of Baja California and has been rapidly weakening. Now it's currently at about 75 knots in terms of intensity. Had brought some wind damage as well as some storm damage as well as some surge damage to the southern parts of Cabo. The system will continue to track generally to the north. There's this upper level low pressure system that will be deflecting Newton to the northeast, and we're expecting Newton to rapidly weaken. We could probably expect Newton to completely dissipate in about 2 days. It's going to be undergoing a lot of shear, and it's going to become very, very elongated. And once it goes over land, it's going to be cut off from its moisture source and the ocean temperatures as well. So Newton now going to continue decreasing in intensity and should be dissipating by 48 hours from now. Taking a look elsewhere, no current active systems. There are some spots near the equator where we may see some more tropical development later this week or into the weekend, especially in the extreme eastern Pacific. We'll follow that closely, though. But that's it for now. If you have any questions or would like to see another area included in our global weather briefing, please email us at weather@mattdan.com. Thanks, and stay tuned tomorrow for our next update on the East Pacific.